Hi everyone, I am back with another origami video and today we'll be making a fox bookmark. So let's get started. And we will only part of it. So it was like this before and I cut off a quarter, and to do that I basically in half crease the top a bit, and then I could fold the edge towards the center to then cut off. And yes, I know it's so wonky, I wasn't fully paying attention when I started cutting, and we've just turned out with what it is. But yeah, let's get started. So first we'll fold the model in the piece of paper in half as best we can, and hopefully yours is not as wonky as mine so you struggle less. And then once you've done that, we will fold the two sides towards the center crease we've just made. Cool, like so. Then we're gonna open it up and we're gonna diagonally crease it and in half. So from there, it's probably easy to first do the diagonal creases first, like that. Like so, and then we can fold it in half. So from that point there, we'll fold it in half from that point, and it should meet the bottom point of the diagonal folds we just made. Like so. And opening it back up, we will collapse the folds what we just made. So squishing them forward like that, and then pull the top down to make a water bomb formation, like so. So now that we've got a water bomb base, we want to kind of grab the top here and fold it back about this much. And as we do so, we're going to push the model up onto itself like that and flatten them out. Cool. So our model should look kind of like this. Awesome. And then we want to valley fold the valley fold some triangles. So want to collapse these down like so. On both sides. Try and make them as even as possible. Cool. And then once we've done that, so our model now looks like this. So once we've done that, we want to fold both sides towards the center crease. And then if we flip it around, yeah, we've basically got this, and we can flip this up like so. And yeah, this is basically our fox bookmark, and I'll draw a little face on it, and that's how it looks. So there were a couple gaps in the instructions, so it's kind of now ended up looking like a wolf instead. But it's still pretty cute looking, and if you're seeing this, I guess I kept the footage and decided to post it. So yeah, thanks for watching everyone, and like usual, leave a comment down below what you thought about it, thumbs up if you enjoyed this type of content, subscribe for more content like this and other sorts of arts and craft video I post on here, and yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.